My cat is on top of the tree and there's a lot of crow. I think they're going to attack. So I'm just so worried. I'm trying to ask her down but she didn't come down. You see the crows all around. So I'm scared for her. They might attack her. Calm down, Mimi. Come. Mimi, come. Calm down. There. She's trying to catch crows. But there are a lot. Calm down, calm down. Mimi, calm down. Calm down, calm down. Come. They are going to attack you. There are a lot. Oh my God. I'm so scared she might fall down. And this insurance is very expensive. To see a vet is very expensive. More than mine. My insurance is cheaper than hers. Come on, Mimi, calm down, calm down. Ay, look at her, what she's doing. Oh my gosh. Be careful, you will fall down. Calm down, Mimi. What she's doing? She don't know how to calm down, I think. She don't know how to calm down. Mimi, calm down. Calm down. She don't know how to calm down. But she went up. Look at the tree. Yeah? Oh gosh. And she's up there. She don't know how to calm down. There you go. Well done, Mimi. Calm down. Come. Oh, lovely you. Come. Calm down. Come. Oh dear. Mimi, calm down. Lot of crow up there. Ah, good girl. There she is. Thank you, Mimi. Come. Let's go inside, come.